Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. On this occasion today, I'm gonna make introduction about who I am. My name is Abdurrahman Al-Jufri. I am the only child of my parents, and I was born in Surabaya, 60 June 2003. And right now I live at Nyablungan 6th Street, number 74, Surabaya, East Java, Indonesia. My hobby is boxing, karate, and I'm going to gym sometimes with my friends. And my dream is one day I'm gonna be cybersecurity. And the reason why I choose Narutama University is because back then when I on vocational high school, I was go to intern. I met my mentor. It's very smart. It's very intelligent. And when I asked him where he came from, and he studied at Narutama University. And since then I didn't think about a lot of university. I'm just directly sign up at the Narutama University. And my family is to live at the same house with me. My father's name is Muhammad Al-Jufri and my mother's name is Nashima Habshi. I don't really have a job right now, but I make some video online to preventing a lot of people about hacking, about phishing on the internet, because there was a lot of scams, a lot of crazy people out there. And my favorite food is noodle and pasta and a drink, and my favorite drink is soda and Coca-Cola. I hope you know a lot about me. Thank you very much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, wherever you are. In this video, I want to introduce myself. My full name is Ahmad Rizal Azroki, and my short name is Rizal or Rocky. I was born in Surabaya on September 20, 2002. And now I live with my parents on Belajar Street, number 34. Okay, let's talk about my hobby. My hobby is playing games and then watch anime, and sometimes I like drawing and also design. And lastly, I like to sleep. Okay, next, my dream is I want to be a successful person and make my parents proud. And after that, I want to say my reason why I study at Narutama University. My reason is because I want to continue my struggle from high school, and then I want to get a bachelor degree. In my family, I have a father. Name is Nugroho Bagus Suryawan, and his job is an entrepreneur. And then I have a mother. Name is Munawaro, and her job is housewife. And last, I have a little sister. Name is Adra Fulviana Hosia, and she is now in 6th grade. And then for my favorite food is gado-gado, and my favorite drink is orange juice. Okay, that's all for my introduce myself. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So in this video, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Abdul Fatah Mulkuzahari, but you can call me Fatah. I am 20 years old and I am from Southeast Sulawesi province. Now I am a student of Faculty of Economic and Business at Narutama University. My hobbies are watching movie, listening music, and also reading books. I have a dream to be a successful entrepreneur. The reason why I choose to study at Narutama University, because Narutama University is the one of the best private university in Indonesia. Talking about family, in my family I have my father. He is 64 years old and he is already retired. And also my mom, she is 54 years old and she is a housewife. And also I have 3 siblings, 2 older sister and 1 older brother. For now I don't have any job yet, I'm just a student. My favorite foods are seafood and also meatball. So that's all about me. Thank you for watching. Last I say, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Hello, my name is Novi Nurlailia from the Faculty of Economy and Business Management Study Program Class I, Semester 1. I'm from Surabaya. I'm graduate from SMK Gigi 1. graduate in 2021. My hobby is traveling and swimming. My dream is to achieve a successful future. The reason I choose Naratama University is because the campus is very good, lots of activity managers of the majors, very cheap fees, and lots of scholarship. My favorite food is meatball and young coconut ice. That's my video introduction. Thank you.
Hi, good morning everyone. Yeah, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Fikri Firdaus. You can call me Fikri. My close friends literally used to call me Bogel. It's really annoying, but it's okay. It's joke for me, and I'm enjoy for that. Yes, and I'm 22 years old, and I'm Islam. Let's talk about hobby. My hobbies. I love singing, I love dancing, I love sporty like cheerleading, and I'm really like a facial makeup, facial makeup on me, like this. Dreams. Do you have dreams? I have a dreams. Uh, I have a dream to become an artist on entertainment, influencer, or celebrity. I really love it to become like this. A professional singer, I really love it. Professional singer like a Beyonce, Mariah Carey, ask question Agona, Whitney Houston. Yes, I hope. And reason why you studying in Northama University? I study in Northama University because this many of my friends were in their final semester. It gave me a good reference about this campus, so I was interested about this campus. Yes. Let's talk about family. I have a 5 younger sibling, 4 girl and 1 boy, and I'm the first. My mom is 39 years old, and my dad is 54 years old. And yes, and I'm 22 years old. I grew up in the Muslim family, but I live with the Christian family. You know, why? Why do you live with a Christian family? Because this family is a younger sister from my mom, who has taken care of me since I'm a childhood. Yes, it's a really care for me. About job, I work as in a factory employee in a manufacturing company. Yeah. And last, favorites. Your favorites. I love a cake. I love food like sate, rawon, or rendang, anything food with a lot spices. Yes, I really like it. I like meatballs. Oh my god, this is my favorite food. And songs. My favorite song of the years. A Traitor from Olivia Rodrigo, covered by Rasman Shah. It's really touching me. Oh my god. Place, place for healing myself. Favorite place is a Changar. Changar, my favorite place for healing myself. I'm sorry if my language is not very clear. I hope you understand. Thank you for your times. Goodbye.
Hello, my name is Preeti Deldiana Putri. You can call me Adele. I was born in Sumeneb, July 22, 2003. I come from Sumeneb, Madura. My hobby is reading, and I also like to draw. I like to eat meatball and drink water. I have a dream to become an entrepreneur. My father's name is Ion Zodianto and my mother's name is Siti Nurhasana. They are from Sumeneb, Madura. And my job now is a student at Narotama University. The reason I choose Narotama University is because I want to be a part of campus full of innovation. Thank you and see you.